All right, guys, today we've got an unboxing from Ferocious. Ferocious beard mail. I love that you put beard mail on it. Stay tuned, we'll see what's inside. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews, some unboxings, some giveaways. We also have a beard advice series where you guys can send in a couple of pictures to the email address below, a little information about what advice you're seeking. I take a look at that for a few weeks and you get featured in your own beard advice series video where we can all learn a little something. I know I learned a lot by making those videos, but today we've got some beard mail from Ferocious Beard Company, and I've never tried Ferocious before. They've been around. I seem like I've seen them just about the entire time I've been in the bearded community, which is I've been in it for over a year and a half, but I think they've been in it for a good year. They kind of had some folks do reviews there for a little while, and then they kind of were quiet as far as having a lot of people do review it, having lots of scent releases. Because if you look at their website, they just got a great looking website, got tons and tons of scents already, but they're still real active on Instagram and that kind of thing. And then I think I saw where Nate, who's the owner, kind of revamped and kind of beefed up his presence in the community and sending out stuff for people to try. So he actually sent me this one, and this is kind of special. I don't know if anybody else has this yet. And that is their new Higher Hold Beard Balm. Now, I never tried the original Beard Balm, so I don't really know what to compare it to, but I know what High Hold Beard Balm is because I've had that before. So let's see what we've got here inside. I love the packaging and the fact that it said beard mail on it, because we all love that. And we got some stickers. Yeah, so 2 stickers, 2 different sizes. Got a little letter here. It's about to be released. I think it's calling it beard wax, so not High Hold Beard Balm. My apologies. A few sample bottles of oil. That must be what's in here. So, like I said, I've never tried their scents, and I think the scent that was sent out to me for the beard wax is kind of a prototype scent. It was one that his wife made up, and if I remember correctly, they said it was cardamom, cinnamon leaf, and sweet orange. So that sounds pretty good. But I'm guessing this is the, let me get out my knife. So a few little sample bottles of oil. So 3 of them in there. So that's neat. And they got the dropper tops. That's always cool. Even on those little sample bottles, to get that dropper top is just a cleaner way to get those samples, oils out. So I definitely like that. Nice bubble wrap, nice little box too. That's very handy. And let's see what we've got. Oh, this is the one I saw Shark review. Except I got to do it like he did. He's got dangerous mango. Anyway, dangerous mango. Not really a big mango fan, but we'll try it out for sure. Smells like mango. Hey, 1 for 1. Don't really smell a whole lot of other things in there, but we'll take a look later. I've learned not to put drops of everything on my hands on these unboxings because I make a mess of stuff. Orange cream pop. All right. That's interesting. They're both kind of on the fruity side. Doesn't really smell like orange cream pop to me. I get a little orange. I may have to go try that one on my hand here in a minute. Let's see what the other one is. And we'll check out this beard wax. Ooh, popping that bubble wrap. Pop, pop. One more time. Okay. And this one's called Savage. I don't know what the scent profile is on Savage. Oh, by the way, kind of neat. And there's little sticker labels on it, but it also has the ingredients listed on it. Now, I can barely read it because it's tiny, but it's grapeseed oil, apricot oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, essential or fragrance oils. All right. And I think this is well, all the little things are covered up about what size it is. It's some part of a dram, 1 dram. So I highly suggest this for beard companies with their samples. You got to give them enough to try it a few times, get them hooked. And then also this is less messy for sure because of the dropper top. But let's see if I can figure out what Savage might be. It's definitely not fruity. I got to try that one on my hands a little bit. Okay, so clear oil. That one's not quite a cologne, but more on the cologne-ish side. Kind of more like a clean soap kind of cologne. It smells good. I don't think it's exactly a barbershop either. So somewhere in that vein for the Savage scent. And this one is the Beard Wax. More bubble wrap. Made in Fort Worth, Texas. Pure and honest natural beard oil. It's the Ferocious Beard Company. Oh, this one says beta test. Man, you on point with the stickers, I'm telling you. Beard wax, 2 ounces. Beeswax, coconut oil, essential oil. And then it's also got the, which essential oils, which is cardamom, cinnamon leaf, and sweet orange. Cool. All right, so there's what it looks like. It is white. I smell the cinnamon and the cardamom. Kind of reminds you of like some going into a home goods store, like a Kirkland's or something like that, that sells like knickknacks and potpourri and that kind of stuff. In that vein. So now I got to put this up here so we can see how hard this is. I usually use my thumb here, so let's see. All right, that is firm. And that is pretty much like a wax. All right, but it is smooth. I've noticed that with the white beeswax. I've had the white beeswax on several products lately, just on balms and mustache waxes, and it seems to be really creamy. You never get any bits and pieces on that. But usually on those products, I smell the white beeswax in it. I don't really smell it in this case. So even though it's a wax, I don't smell high concentrations. I really get that cinnamon leaf is what I get mostly, and cardamom, because I'm not exactly sure what cardamom is supposed to smell like. But that's definitely going to be, if you think about a 1 to 5 scale, which is what I usually do for my beard balms, that's going to be right up there at a 5. All right, so a 4.5 to 5. So we'll do some more testing on that. I got to see if I've got a beard oil that will go with that. But the Savage would probably go with it that he sent me. But I probably got some other things that are kind of cinnamon inspired I could probably use as an oil underneath. All right, so interesting to check that out. I always like having options of higher hold on stuff, especially now that so many companies are also doing butter. So if you're doing butter, why do you really need like a really low hold beard balm? So it should be like at least a 2.5 to 3 is kind of where I would think that it would need to be. But this one is going to be 4.5 to 5 because it is a beard wax. So we'll be checking that out and giving you some more feedback on that coming up. So thank you so much, Nate, for sending that out to me. I think you saw me post enough times about how much I like a firmer hold to kind of hold this stuff down. I got a lot of curly flyaways, especially at this medium kind of length that's just kind of laying there. It has a tendency to do its own thing. Mine's kind of curly too. So you've seen some of the struggles that I have on some of these other videos. But thank you so much for joining me, and we'll do a follow-up on this in a couple of weeks. All right, see you guys.